Check out my new site. Three. Oh, and today's random question, you must comment below, which do you prefer, oatmeal or grits? Grits or oatmeal? Inquiring minds want to know, as does Addie's. Addie is very interested in what we're doing today. So let's begin in child's pose in just one moment. Okay. Oh, ow. All right, child's pose. Take the knees closer together. Let's exhale back, breathing in the nose, out the nose. Always use control and modify as needed. And we can make a massive difference in your ability to move and adapt throughout the day. Stretch it out. Let's go forward and back. We're going to inhale forward, drop the shoulders, a little bit of a dip, drop the stomach towards the mat, and then stretch it out on the way back. Inhale forward, exhale back. And there she goes, plunging into the wilderness. Drop it and stretch. Let's do two more. Always flowing, always breathing in the nose and out the nose. All right, inhale forward, lower down, cobra. Inhale, lift, hands are on the shoulders. Exhale, lower, and then press back, child's pose. Again. Shoulders back and down, back and forth. Two more times. I'll have to keep an eye on Addie also. Good. Stretch out the stomach. And once more. And back. Thread the needle. Left arm through, right arm forward. Take it center, other side. Always love to thread the needles, opening up the thoracic back, providing some looseness in the middle and upper back. All right, two more times each side. Good. Left arm through. Cool editing. And right arm through. Reach, reach. All right. Place it back. Child's pose. Knees closer together. Tuck the toes. Lift up. And inhale. Reach into a beautiful twist. And reach. You can also bend the elbow and pull. Open up the chest. Get some shoulder mobility. See, my right side moves a little more freely than my left. Let's balance that out. Is Addie okay? What's she doing? I hope she's drinking. She's drinking of the cup of life. One more time each side. Inhale up. Exhale down. Lift. And down. Forward. Lower. Cobra. Or press all the way up. Upward facing dog. Knees can be down. Or take the knees off the mat, squeezing the legs. All right, lower, press back, downward facing dog, walk the legs, slow and steady. Great way to get some movement in the calves and the hamstrings. Lovely breeze today. Day 2 of this 30-day odyssey. Thanks for doing it with me, inviting all your friends. 4 more steps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right leg forward. We have pigeon pose. Left leg extends back. Hands down, lifting up. Lower, step back, down dog. Left leg forward. And lift. And again, down dog. Right leg forward. Pigeon. Slide that back leg back. Really open the hip. And once more. Constant flow, constant movement. Back to down dog. Let's walk. Addie's digging a hole. She is. Like a Seinfeld episode back there. Digging holes in the park. I think his name was Frankie. All right, forward. Let the knees come down. Keep pressing forward, lower. Now take this, and right leg reaches up and back into a scorpion hands configuration as you feel comfortable. Let's go back and forth. Above anything else, keep the flow going. Keep your flow, modify as needed as you go through the movement. Your body will adapt and progress with consistent practice, consistent movement. Touch that foot back if you're able. If not, just reach the leg back. It will go back a little further each time you do it. Yes. Feel free to press up like I'm doing. I haven't done this stretch in a while. I'm just discovering again how nice it feels. I like this rolling across the body. I like the balance. I like the stretch in the hip flexors and the low back. A little press in the arms. I like a lot about it. There we are. It's nice when you can list off at least 10 things you really appreciate about a movement. All right, back to the center. Cobra or up dog. We lift up. There's power in those arms and shoulders. Drop the shoulders. That's right. Like a skipping record there. Okay, exhale, lower down. Once more back to down dog. Little walking. These bite-sized nuggets, you can do them anywhere, anytime, to give you a big whoosh, a big boost of energy, of flexibility, mobility, focus, energy. I said energy, but that's what it does. And purpose for the day. All right. Whew. Sitting on the heels, shoulder rolls. It's me, Coach Vigue. That's day 2. Post your progress on Instagram and always tag me at Sean Vigue Fitness. A pleasure as always to train with you. I will see you tomorrow for day 3. 3.